Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is type of a triangle, LeetCode 3024. So here is given a question that there is a vector nums and the sides are given, okay, and you just have to return whether this vector num is equilateral, isosceles or scalene triangle. So for equilateral, all the sides of a triangle is equal, so we have to return the equilateral triangle. And if the exactly two sides are equal in a triangle, then you just have to return the isosceles. And none of them is if none of side is equal, then you just have to return the scalene triangle. And you just have to keep the mind that the triangle is only formed if sum of two sides is less than equals to sum of third side, okay, and if it is not, then you just have to return the none, okay. So so let's do this. First I explain this example that all the sides are equal, 3 3 3, then you just have to return the equilateral triangle. And here is none of the sides are equal, then you just have to return the scalene. And if two sides are equal, you just have to return the isosceles, okay. Let's do this. First I will do sort nums dot begin comma nums dot end, okay. First I will check if nums of 0 plus nums of 1 is less than equals to nums of 2, then I just have to return the none, okay, because this will not form any triangle, so I will return the none. And for another three conditions, scalene, equilateral or isosceles, let's do and create an unordered set of int which is st, and then I will put all the elements in the st, nums dot begin comma nums dot end, okay. And then I will put the condition that if st dot size is equals to 1, means there is only a one element, then I will return the equilateral, okay. Equilateral equilateral else if st dot size is equals to 2, then I just have to return the isosceles. Else I just have to return the scalene, okay. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.